Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the color acrylic effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and scroll down to find the color acrylic effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, or you can drag it onto the clip. Doesn't really matter. You could still mess with the effect itself on the video, but you can also click and drag it to be on top of the clip. And that's what we're going to do. So initially what I want is to find the moment that my sister misses the catch of the phone, and we're going to place it in a specific area of the clip. Now we're going to go up to the special effects tab and mess with the color, filters, and speed. You guys can mess around with these settings as you'd like. And then we can also add keyframes. We have a video on that as well. So let's take a look. And that's the effect, guys. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.